Okay, so let's say your utility knife box cutter is not as sharp as this. It dulls out, gets dirty, damaged, sticky, whatever, nicked, and you're ready to change it out. First thing you should do is extend this all the way. Squeeze down this yellow button here, and you can pinch carefully and remove the blade. First thing you're going to want to do is just switch the blade and use the opposite side. You can reinsert by again holding this yellow button down and sliding the blade carefully back into place. You'll hear a click. You can retract the blade and extend it again to utilize that blade. When you're ready for a new blade, you can remove this blade once again carefully. And in the back, you can press this button, which will pop out a container that houses new blades. Simply grab one, or you can replace them here as well. Lock that back in place, come back up to the top. Push down this yellow button, slide your blade back in place till you hear the click. And now you're rocking and rolling with a brand new blade. You're ready to go. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. I always appreciate people subscribing to my channel.